I'm going to show you how you can get next day shipping on Amazon. Now, it's very simple. First off, you have to actually make sure that you have your address or your shipping address already inputted into Amazon like this. It should already be inputted if you've already bought something from Amazon before. Now, the thing you have to do, first off, for example, I want to buy something. I want to buy a microwave, for example, right? A microwave. Now, on the microwave section here, I want to go to the left-hand side here, and you can see there is a thing that says delivery day. We want next day, and so I'm just gonna press on get it by tomorrow. I'm going to check that. Now, once that's done, you can see now all of these microwave that I see here, it will have a next day delivery. So for example, I want to buy this one, comfy, this one. So on here, I'm just going to press on it, and I'm just gonna tap on buy now. Now on buy now, we can see it'll be secure checkout. Now on here, this is a payment method. You will need to add a payment method. But after that, on add delivery extension, this will be next day. If you don't want to buy now, you can also just add it to cart like this. Tap on add to cart. Now, once you tap on add to cart, you can see just what it will look like. Tap on proceed to checkout. And then once here, you will have next day shipping.